This video demonstrates the procedure for replacing the dome gaskets on the SP-401S lighting unit. Replacing the gaskets ensures proper sealing of the lamp and protects internal components from moisture ingress. The dome gaskets must always be replaced whenever the plastic dome ring is removed. Replacement is also required if signs of sealing failure are observed, such as internal fogging of the glass dome or visible water accumulation inside the unit. For more information on identifying sealing issues, refer to the video. How to check for sealing issues. For this procedure, prepare the following tools. 4 mm Allen key. Or 4 mm hex bit used with a multi-bit screwdriver. From the S4GA spare parts, prepare gasket that goes below the glass dome. Gasket that goes on top of the glass dome. For more information about available spare parts, refer to the video, Available Spare Parts for the device. Always tighten the screws to the recommended torque value for each screw used. To disconnect the solar panel cable from the lighting unit, rotate the latch counterclockwise and carefully remove it from the power connector. To remove the lighting unit from the permanent mount, start by unscrewing the 4 screws from underneath the mounting plate. Lift the lighting unit from the mounting plate. Remove the lighting unit from portable mount. Start by releasing the safety latches. Gently remove the lighting unit, being careful not to bend the rear latches. Unscrew the antenna counterclockwise by hand, and set it aside. This prevents it from bending or being damaged during the next steps. Begin by removing the 6mm 5x20 screw securing the dome's ring. Now, remove the dome's ring from the housing. Carefully remove the glass dome. Remove the old gasket located under the dome, and the gasket located on the glass dome. Clean all contact surfaces before installing the new gaskets. Install the new lower gasket into the designated groove inside the housing. Place the glass dome onto the housing, ensuring proper alignment. Then install the upper gasket over the glass dome. Make sure that both gaskets sit evenly, and are not twisted, folded, or rolled out of position. Incorrect gasket installation may lead to sealing failure and moisture ingress. Always visually inspect the gaskets before reinstalling the dome ring. Position the dome's ring on top of lamp housing. If the lamp is a portable version equipped with a metal handle, align the handle correctly before installing the dome's ring. The handle includes a semicircular cutout. Position the handle so that this cutout is aligned with the antenna mounting location on the housing. The dome ring also features small edge openings. Align these openings with the corresponding sections of the handle. Before tightening, ensure that the color stickers on the ring correspond to the actual color of the optics. Insert and tighten 6 by 20 screws gradually in a cross pattern to distribute pressure evenly on the gasket and maintain a watertight seal. After installing the lamp in the field, visually inspect the lamp for several days to confirm that the sealing remains intact and no moisture appears inside the unit. Install the antenna by screwing it clockwise by hand. Tighten it until resistance is felt and there is no gap between the antenna and the antenna gasket. Ensure the antenna is securely seated, but do not over-tighten. Place the lamp on the base and screw it in from underneath, tightening the screws opposite each other. Use 4 by 10 screws for the installation. Use a 4 mm hex key and tighten the screws to keep the lamp steady and secure. Before inserting the lamp, unlock and open the safety latches. Carefully insert the lamp so that the rear part hooks onto the latches holding the lamp in place. Then, close the front safety latches to lock the lamp securely in place. To connect the solar panel, look for the power connector on the side of the lighting unit. When connecting the devices, locate the thickest pin and align pin number 4 with input port number 4, or position it so that the thickest pin faces the power connector cover. Insert the connector carefully until it is fully seated in the socket, then turn the latch clockwise to lock the power cord in place. For additional information on how to replace the dome's gaskets, please refer to the SP-401S Maintenance Manual.